In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance P2P step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. So unfortunately, you cannot buy Dogecoin on P2P trading, but instead you can convert your token into Dogecoin, or if you want, you can buy any token here and you can swap it or convert it into Dogecoin. So if you want to buy USDT, you can choose your fiat here, choose your payment method, and then select your seller. And then once you have selected a seller, click buy USDT, then type the amount of money you want to pay here, click buy USDT, and wait for the seller to contact you, then pay the seller, and you will receive your USDT in your Binance wallet. Then once you have a funds, you can just go to trade here, click Binance Convert, and then for example, we're going to use USDT, then click here, type down Dogecoin, and for example, I'm going to swap the maximum amount of USDT I have. And also you can choose your wallet here. So if you have your funds in spot wallet, click here, and if you have your funds in funding wallet, click here again, and it will change into funding wallet. Then click preview conversion, click convert, go to your wallet, go to fiat and spot, and now you can see that I have a total amount of 86 Doge on my fiat and spot wallet. And if you have any questions about how to buy Dogecoin on Binance P2P, leave a comment below.